Here we got a cardinal up here, and we got a, I think that's a titmouse. Yeah, I believe that's a titmouse there. Oh, here's a cardinal. Here's a cardinal. Here's a cardinal. There's Mr. Cardinal, right? How you doing, kid? And believe it or not, with all these birds around here, guess who's sitting over here very quietly and just sort of enjoying the scenery? This cat. See the cat? She's being very observant, not moving or anything, even when I'm talking to her. She's just sitting there, probably waiting for an opportune time. And these birds, I wonder if they even know she's there. So she's real quiet. And titmouse is up here. And there's another cardinal. See, they sort of fly in and out around here. Sometimes you get a little more than others. Yeah. But they're always around, the cardinals especially. Whoop. Some cardinal just chased another one away. And here we're back at, and there's the cat. See, the cat's looking. That's a wild cat, obviously. When I say wild, he's obviously not. Oh, he's getting ready to leave. He looks sort of bored. Looks like he's a little bored. Oh, he's going to take a nap maybe, huh? He's stretching. He's just going to sit there and relax. What do you think of that, Cardinal? Cat's not even in a hurry to get any food. Yeah. Yeah. You guys are lucky, ain't you? Does he ever grab cardinals? Hmm? See a couple cardinals there. And that titmouse is still up there on the bird feeder because nobody else is going up there. And the cat decided just to sit down here and relax. Another day among my animal friends. Another day among my cardinal friends. And all the little animal friends. They're all out here in the woods. You can hear some singing in the background.